Hey guys, what's happening? How to update Android Auto on Android. So first of all, go ahead to Google Play, make sure that Android Auto is fully updated to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Another way of double checking that your Android Auto is fully updated, go back to your screen, make sure that your Android is fully updated, your phone, your whole phone. So make sure to go to your settings and software update and make sure that your Android is fully updated to the latest version, and that will force Android Auto to fully update also. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.